Welcome to all of you guys. Let's check our remaining topics. We are going to focus on now data types and convert and combine data types. There is four basic types of data. First is integer, float, boolean, string. Integer is all about whole number 1, 2, 3, 4, and maximum. Float decimal number 1.4, 2.78, 3.0091. Boolean is just a true or false statements. Either it will be true or either will be false. String is about text like a hello 3ab. Let's first try our first integer whole number and check their data types. Let's assign a value a is equal to 7, a is equal to 7, and then print a. Okay, and check their data type. Look at this. This is integer value. Now assign next value 5.4 and check their data type. It's a float number. Okay. Now give a statement. It's a true. It's a boolean value. Okay. Check their type. Boolean. Okay. Now next is string. Okay. Let's assign a value hello and check their data type. C. Okay. This is string value. Now we are going to convert and combine data types. Let's convert our integer into string. Okay, and like give a d equal to string a. Check their data type. It will give you string value as a, and now there is a float number b. Now change b into a string. B float a integer to b. Now check type. This is integer now. Okay, now we are going to combine some data type like string. The world, the world. Okay, give a backspace. Now next again. Now we are going to combine our two data types. Let's combine our two data types. First give a number. Now print number. Look at this. There is given error. You cannot give in raw format. You cannot combine different data types in raw format. First, like look at this now. Print string number. First you have to convert their data type, then you can add. Now look at this. Okay, as same as you can work over there. Thank you to watching.